Hello dear students, today we will see in admission of partnership when partner share is taken by another new partner. In the previous class we have seen only one partner is giving profits and profit sharing ratio to the new partner. Now in this case, when new partner purchases a specific share of profit from old partners, from all the partners, when he is purchasing his profit share, then how do we deal this? Simple, through a problem we'll work out, we'll get an understanding. Here is the problem. A, B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. And Mr. C is admitted into the business for 1/5 share. And how he got this 1/5 share? C purchases his share as 2/25 from A and 3/25 from B. 1/5, how much share he got it? 1/5. 1/5 he got it from A 2/25 and from B 3/25. Now calculate the new profit ratio of A, B and C. This is the problem. Simple. I'll show you. So first thing is that you must know what is the profit and sharing ratio of A and B. So AB profit sharing ratio is is 3:2. Now C's share is here 1/5. You must know first what is the new ratio of A and B, because A is giving 2/5 and B is giving 3/5. Now their ratio is changing, their profit sharing ratio is changing. How much? That will calculate. A's new profit ratio is equal to, his old ratio is how much? 3/5. Okay, 3/5. Out of this he is giving 2/25. 2/25 he is giving to new partner, that is C. Now how much is left? 3/5 was old sharing ratio. He is giving 2/25. Means how much is left? If you take LCM, 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 3 5 5s are 5 into 3 15. 15. This is 2. So this is 13/25. So A's new ratio is 13/25. Simple. Old one minus new one. And whatever is sacrificed, that deducted. So you got it. In the same way, B's new ratio. B's old one is here 2/5. Out of this, how much he is sacrificing? 3/25. 3/25 he is sacrificing. If you deduct it, you will be getting new ratio of B. So it is LCM is 25. 5 5 is 25. 5 into 2 10 minus 3. So this is 7/25. And C's ratio, you know, C's is here. Already we know 1/5. So if you want to make it equal, 13/25 is to 7/25 is to 1/5. So this, how we can take LCM is here 25. Means 13 is to 7 is to 5 5 is 25. 5 into 1 5. So altogether new ratio is equal to new ratio of A, B, C is equal to 13 is to 7 is to 5. This is the final ratio. Am I clear? Simple, nothing to worry. So what is the old ratio? You have to remember, old ratio is 3:2. And how much they are giving out of this? Old one is 3/2, 3/5, and he is giving 2/25. That is why we have deducted From this he has given this much. Leftover is how much? 13 by 25. For B's also, out of 2 by 5 he has given 3 by 25. Now leftover is 7 by 25. C's is 1 by 5 only. So if you want to make it equal, 13 by 25 is to 7 by 25 is to 1 by 5. So LCM if you take, you got it, 13 is to 7 is to 5. Simple calculation, nothing to worry. Okay. So if you are clear, I'll give you one problem for homework. So where is the test book? So here is a small problem. I wanted to give you x and y. So in place of a and b, you can keep x and y. X and y are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3 by 5, 2 by 5. Means rather than 3:2, they are saying 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Meaning is same. So rather than showing that this is my hand, we are saying that this is my right hand. Same meaning. So 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. And they decided to admit z into z for 3/7. Z is here. Mr. Z is admitted for 3/7. 3 by 7th share, which he takes 2 by 7 from x, 2 by 7 from x, and 1 by 7th from y. X, y. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Same like this only. AB profit sharing ratio, you can write 3:2. C share, C matlab, C means Z. Z share is 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 you will write, and X new profit ratio, that is 3 by 5 minus 2 by 7. In the same way Y's it is 2 by 5 minus 1 by 7. So you will get new one, and Z share you will write. So if you take LCM, you will get the ratio. The answer is 11:9:15. 11:9:15. So this is the answer. Please try. If you get the answer, don't forget to write it in the comment box, I got the answer. So I'll be very happy that you are doing homework problems also. And also take out your test book, and if you find any kind of new problems, either illustrations or exercises at the end of the test books, please work out, because the more you practice it, the more comfortable you will be in the examination. So stay tuned to this channel and do share these videos with someone who is struggling to learn the subject, maybe your junior or senior, or your nephew or your children, anyone, whoever it may be. Please do share these videos. And also in the description box and playlist, different subjects are there. Whatever is useful, use it and get good marks. This is what I expect. Wish you good luck.